So just to recap, I have this exponential, and they want me basically to solve for x. So in that process, I write out my exponential equation, right? And I'm trying to make it look like a times b to the x equals c, and then reduce it down to this. And then I could use some properties of logs to help me solve it. So the first step in that process is to divide both sides by 1.5. That reduces down to 4 raised to the 2x is equal to 12 divided by 1.5, which is 8. Then I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So I'm going to say the natural log of 4 the 2x is equal to the natural log of 8. Now, the nice thing about that is that the property of logs allows me to take that exponential and toss it to the front because I'm trying to isolate the x, okay? So then I can rewrite that as 2x times the natural log of 4, which is equal to the natural log of 8. I should point out that the natural log of 8 and the natural log of 4 are actually numbers, okay? I can plug those in the calculator and actually get a number. So from there, remember, my goal is to get x by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by the natural log of 4, okay? That gives me 2x is equal to the natural log of 8 divided by the natural log of 4. These are actually numbers, okay? So let me just show you that real quick. So if I go into my graphing calculator, the natural log of 8 divided by the natural log of 4 is 1.5, okay? So then in my next line, I would say that 2x, normally I would wait until the end, but I just wanted to show you guys, is equal to 1.5. This whole thing right here is equal to 1.5. So then to get x by itself, I just divide by 2, and I get x is equal to 0.75. Now, remember I said that relationship is like this. So if I say 4 raised to the 2 times 0.75, okay, it should equal 8. So I'm just plugging that into this, or I could plug it into the whole equation. In other words, if I say 1.5 times 4 raised to the 2 times 0.75, it should equal 12. So let's just double check that real quick and make sure. So I'm going to say 1.5 times the quantity 4 raised to the 2 times 0.75. If I hit equals, it should equal 12. Okay? And let me take a screenshot of that. And we'll paste that in here somewhere. And that's it.